The first half of 2026 has reminded investors that markets can be resilient even when the world feels anything but stable. Geopolitical conflict, energy shocks, sticky inflation and shifting supply chains have tested markets so far this year. Yet strong US growth, healthy corporate earnings, and ongoing investment in artificial intelligence have helped support risk assets. But beneath that resilience, a new market regime is beginning to take shape. The global economy is becoming more fragmented, physical, and selective. Governments and companies are increasingly prioritizing energy security, domestic manufacturing, and supply chain diversification over efficiency. That shift may keep inflation higher and more volatile than investors have been used to. Credit markets remain resilient, but disciplined credit selection is essential. With persistent inflation, we see opportunity in inflation-linked securities as portfolio hedges alongside real assets. AI is evolving from a purely digital story into a real-world infrastructure boom. Investment is spreading beyond large technology platforms into areas such as power, connectivity, and equipment. That broadening opportunity set is beginning to reshape market leadership into who owns the economic bottlenecks. Meanwhile, the dominance of mega-cap technology stocks may be starting to fade as rising capital spending pressures free cash flow. Leadership is widening across sectors and regions, creating a more favorable backdrop for active investing and selective stock picking. Small caps, value-oriented sectors, and select non-US opportunities could benefit as dispersion increases and benchmark concentration weakens. For investors and advisors, the message is clear. Macro matters again. Success may depend less on benchmark exposure and more on identifying companies and sectors positioned to thrive in markets defined by fragmentation, infrastructure investment, and durable earnings growth.
T. Rowe Price.